Hi, this is a video showing stage one of a data network upgrade we're doing to a uni student complex located in Newtown. Their current network is external CAT6 cabling in conduit but a PVC sheath, which water's got into the conduit, and with the PVC being porous, it's allowed water to get in and damage the conductors, causing high attenuation, affecting data transfer rates on their network. So we've replaced all the conduit and we're using a polyethylene coated CAT6 aircore, better suited for the external application we're doing here. Due to the high temperatures, we can't use grease filled, as in summertime the grease would melt and it could start running out at the terminations. So this is stage one.